Hello friends, it's Mark here at Rickshaw with a demo of our Pocket Notebook Folio. This is a cover designed specifically for pocket notebooks, the field note size, which is 3.5 inches wide by 5.5 inches tall. The folio is available with or without this Velcro patch on the front. This is for affixing Velcro-backed patches. I have here a Velcro-backed plush heart that I made with my laser cutter. The folio is available in a wide range of waterproof sailcloth materials, both X-Pack and EPX. Let's take a look on the inside. The folio has a metal snap closure. We'll unsnap that. Inside you'll see there's a front pocket and a back pocket into which you slide the front and back covers of your pocket notebook to secure it inside of the folio like a classic book cover. And in the front pocket, I keep stowed my current to-do list. I'm using the UGMonk analog system here, which I find quite useful, and then also a calendar from Field Notes, which they give you with your packs of notebooks. I keep that up front. There is also an elastic loop here where you can stow a pen or pencil. I have here one of my favorites, the Machine Era Twist pen. In the back cover, in this pocket, I keep some spare analog cards for daily tasks, as well as deferred tasks, next and someday cards. I also have a note card with some post-it notes and flags affixed to it, so I can use those to flag pages or make notes that I don't necessarily want permanently in my notebook. We also include this handy, heavy-duty ziplock bag to stow things that you want to keep safe and dry. Some emergency money, some postage stamps, my vaccination card, all of that is safely stowed back there. All of that snaps shut and you are ready for on-the-go note-taking. That's it, the Pocket Notebook Folio from Rickshaw. Thanks for watching.